Halo guys, hello everybody, everywhere. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We meet again in my channel, Indra Pamanukan. How are you, everybody? And I hope we are in good health and good mood. And Bu Ade Imam, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm great. I'm great.
Okay,
I'm great. I'm fine.
good.
Thank you for
Nice.
asking.
Mr. Ade Imam,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
as long I learning English, I often hear the word grammar. You know grammar?
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think about grammar? Can you
Okay.
give me a description about that?
Okay. Okay. Let's start. Okay. From my view, grammar is very important. Yeah. Especially if you learned English. Okay. I think whatever its language, we need grammar. But I think grammar is two sides in the same coin. It means on one hand, if you use grammar when you are speaking, you can speak properly and correctly. On the other hand, if you use grammar when you are speaking, you cannot speak immediately. You cannot speak directly.
Oh.
You cannot speak without thinking because you have to find the correct word to express your mind and you feel like that. That is, I think, that is not naturally like that. So the grammar for me is the two sides of the same coin, like that.
Yes, yes.
On one hand, we need grammar. On the other hand, if you use grammar when you are speaking, you cannot speak immediately. You cannot speak direct like that.
So grammar is very important for
Very
English.
important.
Yes.
Yeah, but okay. If you for the first time learns English,
Yes.
especially speaking, you don't need grammar.
Yeah, yeah. I see.
You don't need grammar because if you use grammar, you cannot speak without thinking like that. But as time goes by, you use grammar increasing. I mean, little by little.
Oh, yeah.
In the next time,
Okay,
but for
okay.
the first time you learn English, you don't need grammar. Because if you are speaking, you don't have time to open your dictionary.
Yes.
If you are speaking, you don't have time to ask Google Translate like that. You have to find the correct word to express your mind and you feel like that. But as time goes by, we use grammar increasing little by little. I think like that.
And
so for the first time, you don't need grammar like that.
And how can I do to learn about grammar for improve my English? How how can I do to?
For the first time, okay. I remember my previous explanations yesterday about phrases.
Yes.
If you use phrases when you are speaking, that is not only learn phrases, but also is not directly you learn grammar. For example, if you use phrases, I am a company employee. I is the subject, am is the auxiliary verb to be, I mean, and company employee as the object, like that. So if you use phrases when you are speaking, that is not only you use phrases, but also you learn grammar, like that. So memorize phrases.
Yes.
Memorize phrases. You learn grammar as well, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
As like me, I a beginner in
Yeah.
speak English, yeah, and I must often to practice. I must practice often to speaking English, but
Yeah.
I don't understand about grammar. Like
It's okay. For the first time, it's okay because you have to speak fluently. But as time goes by, you use grammar. For the first time you learn, you don't need grammar. You speak up, like that.
okay.
Like that.
Okay. And
So if you use phrases, automatically you learn grammar. Automatically.
Okay, Mr. Imam, nice to
Yeah.
talk with you about grammar, and maybe time is over. I must go to the street,
Okay.
and maybe we can meet again in another day. Thank you very much,
Okay.
and
Anytime.
bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.